Fast-paced manufacturing, China versus USA. Ingredients mix at high speed. Carbonation and filling, non-stop. Sealing, labeling, and quality checks. Packaging complete, ready for distribution.
Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, caramel color, phosphoric acid, caffeine, and natural flavors. Finally, CO2 for carbonation.
The main ingredients of Coca-Cola. Carbonated water is the base. Sugar or high fructose corn syrup are sweet. Caramel color, phosphoric acid, and caffeine are added. Natural flavors and CO2 complete the mixture.
Coming out! Watch the wrap! Clear, keep going! Set it down! Done!
Careful, broken glass here.
Got it, we'll watch out.
It's very hot today. Give me something that can cool me down.
Calling the factory now. Coca-Cola factory, how can I help?
It's very hot today. Send chilled Coca-Cola.
Or it's way.
Thanks, Coca-Cola. You have driven away the heat.
Extend crane arm to section B.
Exoskeleton moving to support beam.
Order confirmed. Drone dispatched.
太好了。
来，兄弟们，干杯！谢谢Coca-Cola。Thanks, Coca-Cola. You have driven away the heat.
Welcome to Secret Food Manufacturing. Subscribe now to unlock factory secret. Don't forget to share this video with your friends.
Thank you.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using SuperGrok, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.